Well, I haven't made a video in a few days, mostly because it's cold and nasty out there, but as you can see, some snow is blowing into my garage, up on my shelf, on my door, behind my door. It's pretty much snow everywhere. All in the garage, air blew in. That's just from today. Even my snowblower's blowing in. But I figured today I go out there and throw a battery in the truck and see how long it takes me to get stuck, if I can even get moving. So I'm going to take you outside, but I'll have to warn you, I don't know what you'll hear because it's windy as heck out there. So we'll give it a shot. You know, it sounds like the wind's died down a little bit, so let's see what happens. Ooh. There we go. Whew. Gotta put my screwdriver back in my door so it doesn't get blown in anymore. There we go. Perfect. Let's take a walk. Well, this ain't so bad on this side of the garage. Got a bit of a drift. Ooh, starting to get deep here. Snow is almost over the top of my boots. Ooh, it is over the top of my boots. Oh boy. Well, that sucks. Got snow in my boots. That's gonna be cold. Ooh. I have a feeling won't make it too far out here. Can't even see the battery. Oh. Well, son of a bitch. Well, let's put a battery in this pile of crap. Put my camera in here before it gets too wet. Well, looks like a little bit of snow blew in. It's definitely going to be a cold start. It's only about 20 degrees, but when you get the winds blowing at 20 miles an hour, it's a bit cold. Ooh, perfect. Now I'll brush off the window so I can see, and we'll get this thing stuck. Whew, I tell you, that wind is something else. Well, now that I'm thoroughly covered in snow and I got the windows sort of scraped off, let's go ahead and see if we can't get stuck or run out of gas. Whatever happens first, probably get stuck. Oh no, she falls right through it. Not even an issue. Take her out in the field, tear some shit up. oh, I'm gonna get stuck, I know it. I pretty much got her pinned and I ain't hardly moving. I don't want to get too far from the house because if I do get stuck, you know, I'd like to get back. Oh boy, oh. That ain't good for the truck, but yep, I'm stuck. That didn't take long at all. Right around, probably less than a minute. Well, I guess you can see where I'm stuck. Whew. Well, I guess she's staying here for a while. I don't really feel like digging it out. Well, you know what? I had to get her stuck. I had to do something. Go ahead and just turn her off. Whoa, hey, camera. Almost lost it there. There we go. Good enough for me. Let's go inside. Warm the hell up. It's cold out here. Well, at least I didn't end up too far. Snow. Not so deep here in the middle.